Welcome to Dorman Products Air Conditioning Line Tech Tray Guide. Air conditioning lines can be costly and difficult to replace. Dorman's new AC Line Tech Tray Kit allows technicians to make air conditioning line repairs themselves without removing the lines from the vehicle at a lower cost than purchasing a new assembly. This time-saving kit includes a range of fittings to help technicians with a variety of AC repairs, like hardline splices, hose-to-hardline splices, hose-to-hose splices, and line terminations. For even more repair coverage, aluminum tubing in metric and standard sizes is also included, along with an AC Schrader valve, service cap, and small pipe cutter. Here's a look at how this Tech Tray kit can be used to perform a line splice to repair the AC lines on your vehicle or to terminate a failed line to avoid damaging other components in the system. To repair a damaged AC line, locate the damage and use the tubing cutter in the kit to remove the damaged section of the original AC line. And if necessary, additional tubing from the Tech Tray kit, cutting an appropriate length of tubing for the repair if needed. Use the correct diameter line splice fittings. Pre-install the line splice nuts on the tubing, followed by the compression sleeves and seals. Insert the threaded line splice union between the sections of AC line and the nuts. Then tighten the assembly to proper specifications to complete the repair. Terminating an AC line is essentially the same procedure, except you'll use a Terminator hardware kit instead of a line splice kit. Cut and trim the vehicle's AC line at the point of failure. Then install the Terminator kit to seal the system, starting with the nut, then the compression fitting and seal. Install the Terminator cap tightly against the end of the AC line, then tighten the assembly to proper specification to seal the system and complete the repair.